Now to see what are the other stuff in the box. A Type-C cord. A set of earphones. And a supercharger adapter. Now let's try it in a different place. This phone has a 6.33-inch height and a 3-inch width. There is also 3 cameras, namely wide, ultra-wide and telephoto. And it has a circular groove that protects the camera. This also has a notch for the front camera. Then there is no more other location for your apps, instead it only has the same interface with Apple, that is the whole home screen. This phone has a minimalist design, having no button, nor a section in the screen that goes to home nor going back. Instead it has gestures, like scrolling up from the bottom and releasing makes the screen go home, while scrolling up and moving your finger slightly to the right shows the apps you have visited. To screenshot, knock on the screen. Write the letter S with your knuckles to screenshot along horizontal screen. Now it would take a screenshot of an app with slider, which it would automatically do for you. Pull from the right corner to make your screen easier to reach with one hand. To go back, drag from the left or right. To enlarge your screen, tap on the available space. Now let us try what this camera could do. See, the interface is simple. Unlike other Android phones, this has no Google Play. Instead it has the Up Gallery, in which you could download from. The problem is not all apps are in here, including Messenger, Facebook and most apps. So what I did was download APK Pure, so that I could download apps. Then I downloaded a keyboard since I was having a problem with the built-in keyboard. Then I downloaded a theme to customize the look of my phone, in which I really much like. And of course I would also like to mention my favorite part of the camera, the AR lens. After turning on the phone for the first time, I deleted the Chinese UPS that were useless to my region or to me. Then what you could do is connect your smartwatch or bracelet to the phone to utilize its full potential. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Hope I could see you in the next video. Here is a bonus clip of my gameplay with the Mate 30. Enjoy.